In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a wallpaper on Pinterest. We will go through each click together so you can grab any wallpaper you like from Pinterest and keep it on your device. First, open your browser and search Pinterest. In the address bar at the top, your cursor should be blinking, ready for you to type. Enter the word Pinterest, then let the search results load. You will see several results, usually with the official Pinterest site at the top, showing the familiar red and white logo. Taking a second to check the logo helps make sure you are going to the real site, not an ad that just mentions Pinterest. Next, click the correct link and sign in. Choose the result that simply says Pinterest and opens the main site. When the Pinterest page loads, look for the Sign In button, usually in the upper right corner of the screen. Click Sign In, then enter your email and password, or use the Sign In option you prefer. After a moment, your home feed appears, filled with different pins. You will also see your profile picture or initials near the top, which confirms that you are fully signed in and ready to search. Now click on the search bar and type wallpaper, then click enter. The search bar is near the top center of the page, and it usually shows a small magnifying glass icon on the left. Click once so you see a typing cursor inside it. Type the word wallpaper slowly so you avoid spelling mistakes, since spelling changes the results you get. Then press enter. The page refreshes and a grid of wallpaper pins appears, often with colorful images in neat rows. If you scroll, more wallpapers will load automatically, which is normal on Pinterest. From there, click on the wallpaper pin to open it. Pick any wallpaper image you like from the results. When your pointer is over a pin, it usually pops forward slightly or shows a short description. Click once on that pin. The pin opens larger, usually in the center or slightly to one side, with more details on the right, such as the title and the name of the person who saved it. You should now see a clearer, bigger version of the wallpaper, which is the one you are about to download. After that, click the three dots icon next to the main title. Look near the top of the pin details, close to the pin title text. You will see a small three dots icon in a row. That icon opens extra options for this pin. Click it once, and a small menu appears directly under it. If the menu does not appear, click the dots again to make sure the click registered. With that ready, click Download Image. In the small menu that appeared, one of the options will say Download Image. Click that option once. Your browser starts downloading the wallpaper file right away, usually as a JPEG or PNG. On most browsers, you will see a quick download confirmation near the bottom or top of the window, and the wallpaper is now saved in your usual downloads folder. You have just searched Pinterest, opened a wallpaper pin, and downloaded the image to your device. If this walkthrough helped you grab better wallpapers, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple Pinterest tips.